Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we are going to see a very special summer coolant, a traditional breakfast and which research has proved to be the world's healthiest breakfast. This is rice which we have cooked yesterday and overnight I have just added some water to it. So it is just rice which has been allowed to cool, come down to room temperature. Then added water at room temperature, covered it and kept it overnight. In the morning, we can use it as such, or we can even just drain out the excess water, add some curd to it. Also, you can add some salt. This is crystal salt, regular crystal salt. This is the Himalayan pink salt. Today many people like to use this, whichever one you want. Some crystal salt or even the regular table salt. I remember my father was very fond of using this crystal salt for this curd rice, and then it would be mixed together very well like this. This is just leftover rice along with water which has been kept in a clay pot if you have, otherwise a regular steel container also is fine. Cover it and leave it to ferment overnight. Next morning this is had as a breakfast, and along with this we serve with some onions. These are fried curd chillies, and this is the baby mango pickle, the tender mango pickle which we made recently. Many of you have asked me to show this also. See how it has wrinkled well. Salt to the water and rice also. If you don't want to add curd, it is left to you. Or even this drained water, add a pinch of salt and drink it. It is full of nutrients. In olden days, people used to have this in the morning and go out into the fields, and they had to do a lot of labor for the whole day. One thing, it gave them energy to last the day. Secondly, it is a very good coolant, especially in these harsh summers in countries like India. And also the lactic acid bacteria, they help to increase the micronutrients availability of iron, calcium, so on, which are very good for you. So it's a very good source of B6 and B12 vitamins also. Very good for cooling your body and also for retaining your youthfulness, good for your skin. It has got anti-aging properties, and for people who have muscle pains, for them also it is very good. So entirely it is a very healthy breakfast, highly recommended, and which took hardly any time to prepare. All you need to see is the leftover rice is cooled down, add water at to room temperature, cover it, ferment it overnight. Once fermented, next morning add a pinch of salt. You can just serve it with some onion, green chilli, or these fried curd chillies and this Vadu manga pickle, anything. This is the best combination, the best coolant and the world's healthy breakfast. And this, what we call as Pazhayadu, as people became wealthier, they started looking down on this as if it is a poor man's food, forgetting that it is the richest source of all nutrients. So do come back to our tradition and try this out. Definitely you will enjoy it. I have got very fond memories of having this for breakfast, especially during the summer vacations. We all used to head to Trichy, my grandmother's place, and the rocks used to be radiating so much of heat. And my grandmother used to make a large vessel full of this Pazhayadu. All of us grandchildren used to sit in a circle around her, and for breakfast we used to have this with either Vadu manga, and maybe we didn't even have plates. At times we used to just spread out our palms like this, and she would put a ball of this curd rice, for each person, and then the next round would either be a piece of Vadu manga or a drop of Vattakulambu in it, and then we ate it. Thank you so much for watching. Share the recipe with your family and friends, and don't forget to tap the bell icon for notification about my future videos. Thank you.